Evening, everyone. It's Friday night, and this is the update for the gold. I'm doing it a little earlier because I think that we've had some pretty exciting developments. This is the long term view, 20 years, from all the way down here in the 250 range, all the way up to this 1976 or so that we have always used as the topping number. This is the simplest explanation of this chart. It's a classic. We had a long, prolonged rally up. We broke out here in this $1,000 area and basically doubled. We then came down over basically a 2 year period to make a low here in the area of 1,061, pretty close to where we broke up from. Since then, we've had a slightly higher low at 1124 and another a couple of months ago at 1184. And now I believe we've broken out. And to show you that, we're going to go to the daily chart because that's the one that shows it in the most simple way. For the last couple of weeks, I've been trying to point out that we had worked our way into a very tight little pennant. And although we came out of that to the downside, we hadn't broken to an area that I was actually concerned about on the downside. And last week, I showed you this chart with a new uptrend line that I had drawn into the chart. And we basically were riding that line. Each time we went down and hit this, we moved higher, broke down again, had a big up day the next day, went higher, came down, touched it again, big day the next day, and higher. Here, what we did was we came down, and for the past couple of weeks, I've been talking about this would be okay with me as long as we didn't break below 1273. Yesterday, we made the lowest low in this consolidation of 1275 and closed at 1279. Today, we opened slightly higher. The dollar was incredibly weak. And what we've done now is we closed here, according to this chart, we closed at 1298.10. But in fact, in the late electronic session before they closed us up for the night, we actually broke above 1300 to 1303 0.4. That would be well above this. This high previously was 1300.4. So it looks to me like we may be getting ready to have another move higher. It looks that way and feels that way, along with the incredible weakness that we had in the dollar. Okay, looking forward to a big week.